When you marry the foreigner, first thing you should do is to get your passport and change it. If you have a passport already, but the name is not changed, you still have to get a new one. Yeah. This is Mercy, and today I'm going to help you out a latest updated how to renew your passport in the Philippines.
First, make an appointment in DFA passport appointment. Put the link at the description box. If you are in a hurry but have a vehicle and time to travel 2 to 6 hours from your house or home, then you can search any city that is the closest. Look up their different schedules. Let's say the closest in my area is Jensen, DFA Jensen, but their slot is in July 30th. And I look it up, and in Tagum, Davao, which is like 5 to 6 hours, their available slot is on May 26th. So you have to do what you have to do. I made an appointment there. And after making an appointment, you have to be in 20 minutes before the time. Prepare a printed form. There's 3 copies that I remember. There's an instruction, so fall in line. Sign the attendance. They already know that you're coming. So Tagum is a very organized. Anyway, make sure you have to bring your original. Make sure you have to bring your original documents, such as a PSA, birth certificate, and marriage certificate if you're married, and your old passport, and bring a photocopy with you. Alright? It takes only 20 minutes if you have all the documents. If you bring all the documents. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it helps. Please give us a like.